What is going on, lads? Welcome back to another video. Now sorry it's been a little while, but as I explained in my previous video, I have been on holiday, so the Focus is currently sorted, but I will be taxing it on the 1st of November. So that will be when some more videos start to come out with the car. Today is finishing off a mod that I've done ages ago and I haven't had the chance to do it yet. And I just want to crack through it now because the sun is shining. I did have some modifications on the way today. They have not arrived yet, so that will be in another video. However, I thought I'd still bring this to you now. Got to make hay while the sun shines is what they say. So we're going to crack through it now. I'm actually taking off one of the pipes that I had left on from the symposer delete, and as well as that, a couple of my locking nuts are broken, so I've got a new key and a whole new set, so we're going to change those as well. And I thought I'd just record it just to keep you guys updated with what's going on the Focus. And as always, if you do go ahead and enjoy the video, make sure to drop it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. We're really close to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure to hit that subscribe button for future content coming on the Focus. We've got some mods on the way. We're just waiting for them to get here. The classic postman is bloody DDoS me again. So yes, let's get straight into it. I'm going to crack the bonnet open and we're going to get on to taking this pipe off. Right boys, we've just had a quick relocation because I think these bolts here are 15s and my spanner set goes from 14 to 17, which is obviously no good. So I thought we'd just come down here to the barn, the classic place, the workshop for the Fiesta back in the day. And yeah, we're going to do it down here, and I'm going to use the car as a rest for the camera or as a stand because my tripod is not very long. And single life means you've got no one to help you film. So yes boys, fucking let's do it. Right, let me get a spanner set. I'm going on a mad one. I think this is a 15. I'm just going to give it a go. Yes, what a treat. Jesus, that is proper loose already. Right, let's just leave those on the scuttle panel for now. I'm told that if you push down on it, and then I think it will come up. Push down. Oh my word. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a bloody miracle. I've managed to get it off. I don't actually know how much you can see there. I think a little bit. Oh my word, this could actually be doable. So I've got one off. So yeah, I haven't really explained what I'm doing here. I'm just taking these off first, just to make sure that I can get them off, because like I said last time I had trouble getting them off. Oh yes boys, got the technique. Right, let's put them there. Right, so we've got those off. As you can see, we're 1, 2, got those off. Now we just need to go ahead and get these clips off. I think the screwdriver should be able to do that. I think these will literally just come off with a bit of welly. A good old fashioned welly. I think right by the looks of things. Numero uno. Yeah, you kind of get the idea. I'll just crack these off. They're literally just coming off with the screwdriver, and then I will come back to you in a couple of minutes. Right boys, so as you can see, I've got all the little clips off, all 6 of them, and we've got them in a safe place. I think what I need to do now is literally just give it a bit of welly again, and it should hopefully just come off. Oh boys, this is just getting a bit too easy for me. Right, so this is the pipe that we need to remove. That is the hole that we need to fill there. I think this has got the poppers. So, do we give it some welling or do we take it off properly? I think we're going to try properly first. Right, so let's just get this bit out the way first. We just feed that through. Right, we might actually be able to just leave that there and just fill it out. It doesn't look like it was bloody filling anything anyway. Look at the state of that, it's absolutely ruined. this bit is a proper... How the hell do you access it though? That's right underneath. I could actually do with a couple of spare of these, so it's going to do me bits. Right boys, just bear with me a minute. I'm just going to crack these. They're the same pop rivets as there's what you find along the front of your car here. So they are a little bit of a pain to get to. So I'm just going to crack those off and I'll come straight back to you and we'll pop this pipe off and then fill the hole over here. So yeah, and then that should be that almost done. I swear these videos seem to get longer and longer. Like when I first started making videos, they were always really short. And now they just seem to bloody go on for ages, so sorry about that. Right lads, welcome back to the video. We've managed to get the symposer pipe off. One of the little pop rivets came off really easily, the other one not so much, so I had to give it some welly. And this was already broken. Before you say that I broke it, that was already broken. So I literally, these things are a bastard getting off when they're not broken. So when it's broken, when I realised it was broken, I just gave it some serious welly. And it's now off. I'm just going to leave it on there because I can't even get it off. It's just a bit of a bum. So what we're going to do is tape up that hole there with duct tape. That's pretty weather resistant. Well, at least to something that's better than leaving it open. So that's what we're going to do. I need to grab some bloody duct tape because I haven't got any with me. So I'll just go and get that. Right boys, so I'll just show you what I'm doing. This is going to be a bit difficult to film because of the positioning of it. However, this is the hole where the symposer pipe ran through. So again, just so you know, it ran up through here, underneath here, through this hole here, and to that little box there. So this is the hole that we're going to fill, just to stop any excess water heading down to the back of the engine there. I think water is okay to get down there, but in large volumes then it probably wouldn't be. So we're going to tape it up. I've got some duct tape and tape. Definitely what Ford recommended to do from the factory. It was an option, a duct taped hole where the symposer was, and I'm just retrofitting that right now for you boys on the channel. So yes, I'll tape that up and I'll come back to you in a minute once it's all done. So there we have it lads, the hole is now taped. I'm basically Yanamized. What we just need to do now is just go ahead and put the scuttle panel back on and then the wipers back on. Easy to get off as it is on, it should just sort of sit in place, kind of. I'm going to bung the wipers on. Good little tip for you is I laid them out exactly how they were, so I know which one's which. Numero uno. Numero dos. Just make sure that's securely on. You don't want them flying off when you're going down the road. So we've got the scuttle panel on, just need to put the clips back on now really. So we've got these little covers, you can bung these on. They just sit over there like that. 1 and 2. I'll just go and bung the clips on and then we're pretty much there. Like I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the wheel nuts, but I'm not going to show it because I think the video is going to be way too long already. Like this clip alone is 3 minutes 28 as we speak. So yes, take my head down, it's quite warm in the sun, so excuse the barnet. But there we go, I'm going to wrap it up there. Thanks boys for watching this video. I will be back very soon with some modifications on the Focus. We have got some small mods on the way, some bigger ones as well. I've got some stuff planned, getting the car ready for the shows next year. So yeah, thank you ever so much for watching the video. As you can see, the pipe is now gone, over there with that. And it just looks a little bit tidier. Now all we've got to do is go ahead and give it a clean, but that will be another video. So make sure to subscribe or like the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. And drop me any comments below with any advice to make the videos better for you boys. And yeah, thanks very much. See you in the next one. Peace.